Hey guys, welcome back to Brittany Olivia. Make sure you watch the whole video, you guys. In today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing and review on this cheap curly Amazon wig that I got, you guys. Of course, it came fast because it's Amazon, but we're going to jump right into it. We're going to open the box. It's been sitting in my room for I don't know how long, you guys, because I was just trying to get time to record the video. That's why I needed time. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. Okay, guys, so I took the wig out the box. This is it. This is the packaging. It has 4 beauty on it. Made in China. On the back. So that's that. So let's open this wig, you guys. Came in that big box. Okay. Ooh, I can tell it is thick already, y'all. This is definitely synthetic because it was only... Oh, they gave me some hoops. I was gonna buy me some hoops, y'all. But I still, if I wear hoops, like I'm bigger than this. But yeah, they gave some hoops. And whatever this is, I don't know what this is. Stickers? I don't know what that is. So that came with it. What are these, fake tattoos? I don't know what this is. That, I don't know what that is. And then a net for the wig. A hairnet. And yeah, I'm happy about the hoops though. I am, because now I have my little studs. So this is the wig. This stuff is thick. I hope I like this color 30 on me, you guys. Kind of orangey, like a lot orangey. I hope I like it on me. But yeah, it's in the net, of course. So you guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Ooh, this stuff is thick. Ooh. It has the paper on the inside. Yeah, I'm getting nervous. I hope it looks right. It's the paper on the inside. And let's look at the construction. Let's see. So you guys, it only has 2 combs on the side here. Excuse my nails, you guys. Only has 2 combs on the side, one here and one here, and then it has the regular drawstring in the back. And there's no parting or anything. You're just supposed to have like a bang. You can see this is the hair. It's soft, you guys. It really is soft. It doesn't feel like rough or anything like synthetic hair. It's actually not that shiny either. The color is just bright, but it's not like shiny like plastic, like how some synthetic hair is. It's not like that. It's actually really soft, and I'm surprised about that. I'm just nervous about the color, to be honest. And I guess these are supposed to be the bangs. Right here. Zion's being so good right now. He's being so quiet. Here are the bangs. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on, you guys, and I'll be back. So you guys, this is, you know, this plopped it right on my head without any manipulation. The cap, it fits perfect. I didn't use the combs or anything. My son sees his hair on me and he's like, first you was wearing braids, then you had the scarf on, then you had some blonde curly hair on, now you got this hair on. Just keep changing your hair, mommy, okay? That's what his expression tells me. So this is straight out the thing. I like the volume, but I'm not sure about the color, you guys. I'm really not. I don't think it looks right on me. But yeah, this is the side. I like the poofiness. Just not sure about the color. They had a lighter blonde color. I think that would have looked better on me. I might order that and do a review on it and see how that looks, you guys. So I thought I told you to be quiet. No? Okay, you do you. So this is the side, you guys. And this is the other side. And I'm going to turn around and give you a view of the back, if I can. That hair is so soft. Oh my god. I know that was a dramatic, but this hair is soft. Soft. Because even like when you have the crochet hair, you crochet it to get it to look like this. And like, it's not soft like this. It's not. So, I'm not sure about the color. I'm gonna go through and get it to my liking, you guys. Okay? And I'll be back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know if I like the hoops, y'all. Okay, you guys. So all I really did was just pull it out with my fingers like this. I didn't really comb it out with the comb. I know when I used to wear the curly synthetic wigs, that's what I used to do. But the hair is so soft, I just honestly don't want to, you know, mess up the softness or anything like that yet. But most of the time with synthetic hair, as you wear it, it starts to look better and more realistic. So this is it, you guys. I don't like thick bangs, so I just kind of spreaded them out, but I don't know. I do like this one way better than the red one I did from Amazon. I like this one way better. It's just this hair is so big. Like, I wear curly big hair all the time, but this hair is big, okay? It's big. It's cute. I would like to see how the lighter blonde looks on me. This is I believe color 30. Yeah, I think it was a 30, you guys. As you can see, it does have like the darker roots in there. But they had one, it was, I don't want to, it was like maybe a 613 or 27, and it looked like the roots were brown. So I'm gonna try and get that one later on and do a review on that one. But I do like this hair. I wish you guys could just stick your hand through and feel it. Like, it's really soft, and that's very surprising for synthetic hair, you guys. I think I probably spent $25 on this wig, you guys. The link will be in the description box, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will give y'all a spin around one more time, but I'm nursing Zion, so I'm gonna try. Come on, baby. Yeah, he's hungry. Hungry baby. But yeah. Come on, Mook. So yeah. That's that. And that's that side, you guys. I'm kind of feeling this. I can get used to the color, okay? Okay, you guys. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next YouTube video. Okay? So, bye, you guys.